This is a 2020 Ram Bighorn 1500 package with the 5.7 Hemi. Factory comes with the resonators on the back. We're going to leave them there. We're just going to upgrade the muffler to a Flowmaster Super 44. Give it a good rumble. Not too bad. We're going to leave the factory cats on there. Leave it all stock except for the muffler. Let's see what it sounds like stock. Kind of sounds like a Cadillac almost. Nice and quiet. We're going to change that a bit and we'll get back to you. Okay, so we're back with the Ram. We've left it all stock in the back, as you can see. The factory resonator's there. But installed the Flowmaster Super 44. Left it all stock up front, like I said earlier. Give it some rumble. Let's see what it sounds like. That woke it up.